Welcome, here I've got POCO X3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the right. So hi again, and now let's go to the right corner. When we tap on this button we get access to more settings we can manage, and now we have to pick these settings from the left. So here we are in the advanced camera settings. The mirror front camera option is here at the second place. By tapping on this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.